A lot of people are surprised when they ask me what I do and I say aircraft maintenance. Generally the reaction is, oh really? That's really interesting. My name is Michelle and my job here at KF Aerospace is a structures technician. We do maintenance repairs and keep the commercial aircraft in the sky. I never thought I'd be doing something like this. I had previously stayed home for 10 years with my children, and it was time to get back to work when they got into school. So I was introduced to the Women in Trades program, kind of jumped into the program here that was offered at Okanagan College in the hangar here. I enjoy coming to work every day. I feel comfortable here in this hangar. There's a great team to work with. I've got a great set of supervisors. And one thing I really enjoy about working at KF is the physical work. I prefer to do the physical work rather than sit at a desk.